Do you believe that you have the right to detain or deport a U.S. citizen for simply expressing their political opinion? A U.S. citizen?
No.
No. Do you believe that you have the right to detain or deport a legal permanent resident for expressing their political opinion?
I don't make decisions on legal status here in the United States.
Question for conservatives. Do you agree that legal immigration is good? America was founded on immigration. That should be common ground for us, right? We can both agree that legal immigration is good. Because unless you're a Native American, at some point your ancestor was an immigrant to the United States. Immigrants like me who serve our country and pay taxes and give back to the country. That's what we want in this country, right?
Detain or deport that person simply for expressing their political opinion.
The Department of State makes those decisions, and security under the Trump administration is enforcing the law, following the constitutional rights of folks who are here as citizens, those who are here legally, and those who are here illegally.
So legal permanent resident is by definition here legally. Do you believe, I think this is really troubling if you can't answer this simple question. Do you believe that the U.S. government can detain and deport a legal permanent resident for expressing a political opinion that the administration disagrees with?
The determination you're asking for is based on things that you are determining that the Secretary of State has considered.
Second piece of common ground. We both agree that the First Amendment is super, super important, right?
Citizen of the United
States. Then say you don't have the ability to do that.
Wouldn't you agree that one of the things that makes America great is the fact that we can criticize our government and we can speak freely about our political beliefs without the fear of government retaliation, which is what happened to my father. He was sent to prison for 2 years for speaking out against the CCP in China. So then it should be pretty simple for the Secretary of the Department of Homeland Security to simply say no.
Do you believe
that's the difference between
do you believe
that you're asking
that you can detain and deport
the direction
a legal
of
permanent
law.
Resident for expressing a political
We have not
opinion?
detained or we have not deported anybody who's a legal permanent resident or citizen of
So
the United
why
States.
is it that the Secretary of the Department of Homeland Security cannot give a clear answer? It seems pretty easy to me. Yes, I believe anyone in this country legally is protected under the First Amendment. They should not face government retaliation for anything they say. Political speech is protected under the First Amendment. Even KKK members are protected when they call for people to murder black people. So if they are protected, everyone else is protected by their political speech. Really simple statement to make, yet Noem will not say that simple thing. She gave a weak but clear answer when she was asked about citizens
Expressing their political opinion, a U.S. citizen.
No.
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 Why can she not give the same clear answer about immigrants? So I ask you, conservatives, can you give me a clear-cut answer, yes or no? Are legal immigrants protected under the First Amendment?